Hello everyone, grab the top section of the hair, split them into 3 equal parts and braid it in a thicker manner and do the braiding until you reach the midway and have it secure with a rubber band. Then grab the entire hair, then grab a rubber band and drop it in the middle of it and stretch the middle one and stuff the tail into it, making it as a bun. Grab the sides of your hair from the top section and tie in the middle of the rubber band. Grab another section of the hair right below that and tie with another rubber band and tie with the rubber band, making a ponytail and split the tail into 2 parts. Have a rubber band attach the middle part and create a loop in the middle one and drop the tails into it. Now combine both the tails together with the rubber band at the bottom. Now stuff the tip into the middle part, making as a bun, and move the bun to the top and secure its place by dropping a little hairpin on either side. Then decorate even more further, dropping your favorite hair cluster on top of that. Make a bunch in the top section of the hair, create a gap using your finger, drop the tail into it, grab another section of the hair from the left side and do the same as we did before. Repeat it on the right side and after that, combine all the 3 tails together with a rubber band. Then grab the entire hair from the back section and have it tied with a rubber band, making a ponytail. And split the tail into 3 equal parts and have a rubber band attach the middle part and create a loop and drop the tail into it, making a twisted band. Then after that, combine all the 3 tails together with a rubber band, then have the tail stuffed inside the middle one, making as a bun, and move the entire bun to the top and have it in place by dropping a little hairpin at the center. And to secure its volume, drop a hairpin on either side of it, then decorate with your favorite hairpin right in the middle of that. Comb the sides of your hair, tie in the middle of the rubber band and drop it inside with the remaining section of the hair along with the tail, split them into 2 and have ponytails in each of them. Have a rubber band attach the middle part of it, create a loop and drop the tail into it and drop it into the right loop and right into the left and have both the tails combine at the bottom with the rubber band and stuff it inside the bun we created. Then drop in your favorite hair cluster. Grab the sides of your hair from the top section, tie with the rubber band and drop it inside with the remaining section of the hair along the tail, split them into 2 and have ponytails on each of them. Have a rubber band attach the middle part of each of the tail, combine both the tails together with the rubber band and drop the entire tail into the twisted band we created and secure its position by dropping a little hairpin on either side, then drop in your favorite hair cluster, decorating even more further. Grab the sides of your hair, tie in the middle of the rubber band and drop it inside to get a favorite twisted band with the section of the hair at the back, split them into 3 and have the middle section combined with the tail and have it into a thicker braid and roll the braid into the top and have it in place by dropping a little hairpin on either side. Have it split them into 3 parts and have it braided in a thinner manner. Then after that, secure the end with the rubber band and make the braid go around that bun we created and have it in place by dropping a little hairpin underneath it. Then drop in your favorite hairpin, decorating even more further on top of that. Comb a few strands of hair from the left side and have a rubber band attach the middle part and create a gap using a finger. Drop the tail into it. Do the same on the right side and combine every hair together with the rubber band, making a lovely ponytail. Then split the tail into 2 equal parts and have a rubber band attach the middle part and combine both the tails together with the rubber band at the bottom. And after that, bend the tail inwards and have it go over the rubber band we have covering it and tie with another one and drop in your favorite hair cluster on top of that. Grab the sides of your hair, tie in the middle of the rubber band and drop it inside to get a favorite twisted band. With the remaining section of the hair along the tail, split them into 2 equal sections and have each section into 3 parts and braid it in a thicker manner. Do the braiding until you reach the bottom and have the end secure with the rubber band. Now have the section of the hair on the right, split them into 3 parts and have it braided the same way and secure with another rubber band. Then drop the left braid into the top right and have it secure with a little hairpin. Do the same vice versa for the right side as well. Now adjust the twisted band a little bit and after that decorate with your lovely hairpin on top of that. Thank you everyone for watching this video.